Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time viewing this, please subscribe. Hopefully you'll like the video. This is Project Screaming Eagle new transmission. So apparently one of the most expensive transmissions out there is a T56. They're very strong, very good. The gear ratio, everything's great about it. For some reason they're like $2,500. So I found one. We're gonna pretend it's near me, 6 hours away, for a good deal. I'm getting the transmission, electric cutouts for the exhaust, and a line lock for less than what I would pay for a normal transmission at a shop. So I'm driving 6 hours from New York to Pennsylvania, deep into Pennsylvania, to go get this transmission. And it's gonna be a fun trip, I know it is. Project Screaming Eagle, in case you are, like I said, new to this channel, is my 2000 Trans Am, white. Obviously it has an LS1 right now. It has an automatic, and I'm switching that over. So I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes, or in YouTube land. I'll talk to you in a second, and I'll show you some beautiful foliage. So we're out of New York, now we're into Pennsylvania. Really have to pee, and I keep on not paying attention for rest stops. Like I just missed another one. So I realized the guy I'm buying the transmission from, he's going to buy a twin turbo box body Mustang, and his friend is going to be there, so to help me get everything in the truck to pay him. So his friend texted me, and his zip code's 717, which is kind of cool. I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a guy on YouTube, Street Speed 717. Most of you probably know him. Diablo Formula Racing is also in 717. And there's also a couple of the YouTubers in 717 area code. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna keep an eye out. I know a couple of them drive McLarens, Corvettes, and other stuff like that. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for them. I doubt I'll ever see them. Just, you know, driving through, picking something up, and then heading back home. But I mean, it'd be pretty cool to meet a couple of them. So just give you guys a little update, and still 3 hours away, so we'll talk to you guys in a second. God damn it, I took the wrong fucking directions. So guys, I got the, this is the second time I went the wrong way. got the transmission. I didn't feel like recording. Guy had a sick freaking, oh, nasty black Trans Am there. 10-point chromoly cage. Some, I don't remember what type of ECU setup he had. I think he said he had an 83mm turbo on there, single. Everything was insane. It was a monster. So, like I said, I got everything. The only thing I was really worried about was the clutch. I can't verify it, but it's an LS7, or so he said it is. It looks like there's a lot of life left on the clutch, and that's what I was worried about. So now that basically that's taken care of, I'll show you guys everything, either in a couple minutes when I stop for food, or when I get to the garage where we're going to be doing all the work, which is my buddy Gio's house. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Now that I'm back up on this road, let's turn onto the thruway, not the side street in front of it. So, once I get somewhere worth showing you guys will be included again. Until then, talk to you in a couple seconds. Roughly an hour away from where I originally was, maybe a little bit more. Overall, I think it was about 5 hours, 45 minutes to get there. I went to a stupid Taco Bell and sat there for 15 minutes, and I had to gas up, which I'm going to have to do on the way home. Didn't really have much traffic, which was pretty good, but I'm kind of just tired of driving. I mean, I'm not physically or mentally tired, just sitting in one spot. I don't know how semi-truck drivers do it. I mean, this is a whole lot. Since I haven't really stopped yet, because I'm not going to stop until I need gas, or until I find an Arby's, because I want Arby's. So there's my bell housing. There's really not much to see because I can't really reach back there and properly show you. But I'll show you the rest of it in a second when I stop, or in a second for you guys, in 3 hours for me.